So back to my computer's processor blowing up. Whoa, I forgot I... Oh no. Power slug out in the wild. What the hell was that? The radioactive guy down there. So that's fun.
Bye, have a great time.
Having intelligence as his dump stat insinuates that he has other good stats. We can go on a quick adventure. I did add a new open mouth setup, so I can do a whole ow. A little bit better now, so that's nice. Looking down isn't so bad. Looking up definitely does not track my eye position. Then the second I start looking to the right, it centers out. I think some of it comes down to the model that I made itself too. It really wants to have closed eyes. Yeah, I really need to enunciate when I speak for one, but for two, I think the settings just don't work all that well. Typically, VTubers use iPhones. My camera's up above the screen a little bit. I'm actually looking directly at my camera right now, and it has kind of the best tracking. When I look down at my screen, I lose like half of that tracking immediately. Clearly, I need an iPhone. If I can get like an iPhone 2 is the only time I would ever consider an Apple device. I don't think they make those anymore, but well, I mean, eBay exists, right? Okay, so back to my computer's processor blowing up. I delidded it to do some like liquid cooling about half a year ago. And when I put it all back together, I had lost a channel of memory. While I was editing the video, for whatever reason, something popped. And now I lost one more stick of RAM. So I have single channel, one memory stick right now, and half the RAM that I'm used to having. All that is to say, no more bibbits until I can get this resolved. I now have my laptop set up next to my primary monitor, and I can put all the stream stuff over there. So instead of looking this way to see chat and stuff, I'm gonna look this way to see chat and stuff. Huge change. I was able to figure out the OBS settings to have just my web browser music going to a different track in the recorded audio, which means I can play audio and then remove it later. If I were to put something on, I'm just gonna put blah, blah. The game should also be working. Unlike previously, I have some ideas, but the main one that I want to get into is engineering stuff. So what I'm gonna do with all of my viewers, I'm gonna start a poll. Maybe not. Okay, well, now that we've gotten that out of the way, Satisfactory. By fun, I mean, oh, whoa, I forgot I, oh no. Today, we're gonna start populating the world. That thing is the super highway. Cool thing about the super highway, it's a 6-lane highway that takes 2 train directions, 2 vehicle directions, and a walkway. There's a big problem. I'm immediately out of resources. I can't place it. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is expand my resource generation. Hey, yo. Was your username taken? Ah, you already had an account. Well, welcome in. You are officially my only viewer. Hopefully I can entertain you while you lay down and do nothing. I can show you how to make tea real quick. Here you go. That's how you make tea. That is the best kind of tea. Oh look, a power slug out in the wild. How was that? Don't do that to your cat. That's so rude. You should just choke to death instead. She already only has 1 leg. What do you mean, as do you? I know enough about what what your bodily functions are capable of to be afraid anyways. Depots make it so that as I spend them, the factories that produce them will start putting more of them back into my inventory, so that's pretty nice. I need to do more steel. Oh, he's stealing. Stealing what? Wait, what does that mean? Oh my... This is on top of the radioactive guy down there, so that's fun. I tried to kill him before, but the weapons that I have are too weak. You don't have to do the math if you don't want to make like a perfect factory. You can make like just a factory that takes a bunch of input and shoves it into a bunch of machines. Oh wow, okay, we are completely out of steel. Wait, no, truck, come back. There we go. Okay.
Bye, have a great time.
Why do you keep riding my machines? Oh, wait. He's in my way. I gotta build here. You can't be here. If it makes you feel any better, he doesn't feel pain. 45 to 45. 270, 270, 540 over 6. No, 540 over 45, which is 12, which means everything I did right here is wrong. The amount of times that I take damage because I miss a zip line. Very high. And no, math hasn't been annoying from the beginning. It's just basic addition and subtraction. How am I missing AI limiters already? I had like 12 of them. And it sucks when you forget one thing and have to go travel 20 miles to go get it. Dimensional depots the factories back into my inventory, so that's pretty nice. See, it's not that hard. It's gonna be a bit of a bitch, but what I can do... Uh-oh. Yep, alright. Ran out of fuel. He's on my conveyors. And I'll hit the land whale all I want. He's on my property. The correct statement is idiot mountain lion. Okay, let me go let him out.
But that thing scares me.
He goes to the door and then he just gets halfway through it so I can't close it and then just stares down the hallway. I mean, he did learn how to open doors though, so he's got at least 1 or 2 brain cells. I think that's the only thing he learned to do that's actually smart, and then decided that that's all he needed. Having intelligence as his dump stat insinuates that he has other good stats. Munchie, I swear to God. No, you're stuck in here now. You open the door. What? You can hear him. What? What? Wait, why is it spaced up like that? Why is it doing that? I need to go look at this blueprint and see what's wrong with it. It is 1 up. Why? This makes everything so much harder. What am I missing? Steel beams. Yep. All right, so that still remains to be the limiting factor. We can go on a quick adventure. We can find more Mercer spheres. We can unlock some research that makes the delivery into the depots faster. I think I'm gonna travel south. So we're looking for Mercer spheres. Huh? Oh, hi. Oh, you know what would have been really good to make? Some bullets. That would have been really good to make. That should be more than enough.
Disrespect our surroundings!
Surely there's no spiders down here. Where are you? There's 2 big ones? God damn. Oh, you're like massive. What the I don't think I have what I need to. Oh, and there's one of you too? Yeah. We're just gonna. Oh, okay. What the f? Here's the thing though, I really want that Mercer sphere. Oh, I hear you. Oh, whoa, you're a big guy too. Jesus. All right, we're gonna leave that Mercer sphere. We're gonna go look for another one. What? Excuse, okay, damn, this area is hostile. Here's what we'll do. We'll come all the way over here, and then... Are you kidding? Oh. Oh my god, it's so much damage. You know what? I don't need to fight you, I just need this. Oh god, more. You said crickets? They're crickets. Caved crickets. That's a cave cricket. No! Oh god, Jesus Christ. Dude, they just come out of nowhere. What? Oh, that's not a good sound. Oh my god. See, this is a normal amount of protection for a resource like this. So just two guys that run away from me because they're afraid. Okay. Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to calm down. Oh, why is it not destroying these? Ah! It's not good. Hi, I'm just gonna... No, just let me past you. It's fine. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Nope. No, you don't see me. Ow. You were not there a second ago. What the? I have not seen those black plants before. Ow. From here? Are you kidding me? Oh shit, that's a lot of you guys. Nope. Goodbye. Is this just like your area? Is this where... Ah, oh, there's more. Oh god. Yeah, I don't like the sounds you're making. And one of you too. What the hell? This game, back in beta, this game was not this hostile. I get it. No! Get out. All right, well, good news. We're in a new biome. I did accidentally bring myself back to the highway, so maybe we close out on this for now. Oops. Missing silica. Yeah, yum, silica gel. My favorite Dippin' Dots, but not frozen. Yeah, just like boba. A little bit smaller than boba, so you use like a regular straw. So in many ways better. Well, that's the best part, is you really only need to do it once to get the full experience.
The window is beautiful. Have you tried making the door?
I assure you that would be a most unhealthy action for the pioneer to take.
It wants me to go inside of it. No, thank you. Three. And I'm out of materials.